Hello everyone, I'm Bryan from Orchids by Bryan, and today is a very special day because I have a box of brand new plants from Magic Oasis Orchids from Canada. I'm so excited to see what they sent to me. I've had the opportunity to buy several plants from Magic Oasis Orchid Club, and I love their stuff. So today's an exciting day. We're going to see what they have sent to me to unbox for all of you on the channel. So let's get into it. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have here. I'm very, very excited. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, nice. This is Cattleya Crystelle Smith, Nathan's Reward, and it is in flower. Check out that. That's a super, super nice plant. It is an excellent choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. It's a cross between Cattleya Beaufort and Cattleya Ladagessii, and it's celebrated for its ability to bloom multiple times a year. It was created by my buddies at Crystelle Smith in 1985, and that Nathan's Reward is a distinct award-winning clone. That is a beautiful orchid. So cool. Cattleya Crystelle Smith, Nathan's Reward. Let's see if I can put it right there. Cool. All right. Let's see what else we have in here. Wow, what is this? Oh, nice. Cattleya Walkeriana semi-alba. Look at the size of that plant. Holy cow, these are really nice. Can you see that quality? And I'll show you some close-ups of this guy here. Really beautiful orchid. Wow, look at that. A couple of key considerations for Cattleya Walkeriana. They like to have a dry period in the winter time for those of us here in the north. Just water them a little bit less in the winter, and mine actually tend to benefit, well, at least the species similar to Walkeriana, benefit from a higher light and cool down period in the wintertime. Nothing drastic, just slightly to show a change of seasons, and these plants will reward you. Gorgeous Cattleya species. All right, let's see what else. What is this here? Huh. Walkeriana. Oh my God. No way. Holy cow. This is Walkeriana. This is the Memory of Love by Madou Madel. I'm going to show you a picture of all of these flowers. Look at the size of this plant. This is a plant I've actually been wanting forever. I saw it on Magic Oasis Orchid Club's website, and I was like, oh my God, I really, really hope I can get this one day. This is one of their select orchids, their premium selection, and look at the size of these plants. I just want to highlight these. Look at the size of these three plants here, and they are beautiful. Ethan at Magic Oasis Orchid Club clearly knows I love my Brazilian orchid species, and boy, I am so excited about these two Walkerianas. I'm very, very excited about this guy. Check out the pictures of these blooms. Wow. These are awesome, awesome pickups from Magic Oasis Orchid Club based out of Canada. Like I said, you can go on their website. They have over 300 different Cattleya orchids that are available, and I'm going to put a couple of them on the side of me so you can see what they look like if you're interested in picking up some of these plants. They do several pre-orders throughout the year, and they attend many shows in the US and Canada, the international shows in Florida like Tamiami, Redland. I know they were at the amazing Thailand Rainbow Orchid Festival, and so you can visit them at those shows for my folks that live down in Florida or attend those international shows. But what I'm going to talk to you about, I am super, super, super excited Magic Oasis Orchid Club will be attending the National Capital Orchid Society's International Orchid Show and Sale September 18th through 20th, 2026 at the Montgomery County Fairgrounds in Gaithersburg, Maryland. And you are going to be able to pick up some incredible orchids just like this, some in flower, and add them to your collection. I'm going to actually splice in a video of Magic Oasis Orchid Club's booth from a previous show, the Tamiami International Orchid Festival. Check out all of the amazing plants that Ethan brought. They have Oncidiums, Phalaenopsis, various different types of Cattleyas, including some very rare select species and hybrids from all across the world. I've been always very impressed by Magic Oasis Orchid Club. They have several orchids that are awarded by the Japanese Orchid Growers Association, Taiwan Orchid Growers Association, of course, the American Orchid Society. So you can pick up award-winning orchids of all different sizes, of course, coming from Taiwan. They have beautiful, beautiful stuff. As part of the National Capital Orchid Society International Show and Sale, September 18th through 20th, you can now reserve your plants ahead of the show and have them ready to pick up when we all meet in Gaithersburg, Maryland. Just head over to Magic Oasis Orchid Club's website, browse their gorgeous selection, and when you're ready to check out, enter the coupon code NCOS2026 on the cart page to get 10% off your entire order. This deal runs now through August 31st, so don't wait. Pre-orders close that day. With that, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much to Magic Oasis Orchid Club for sharing these amazing plants with me that I can bring to each and every one of you on the channel. If you're interested in any of these plants, reach out to Magic Oasis Orchid Club. Tell them you watched Orchids by Bryan and you want those plants, and they'll see what they can do for you. Of course, add even more. There's so many. I've purchased plants from Magic Oasis before. I have 2 plants in my collection, some wonderful compact growers, and they're thriving in my orchid collection, so stay tuned to see those blooms very, very soon. Thank you, Ethan and Magic Oasis Orchid Club. Thank you for watching Orchids by Bryan. I'm Bryan from Orchids by Bryan. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.